Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are talking about new Valentine's Cupid board update and how to grab a lot of these Valentine's presents in Pets Go. So I will show you all the ways how to get those presents fast. And first of all, let's make sure you upgraded Valentine's events and unlocked Valentine Auto Roll. You should also unlock all of these other upgrades if you already haven't, but this one is the most important for the beginning because you need to start unlocking all of these slots or tiles with the rewards on the Cupid's board. It will be a little bit hard to unlock all of them. I needed the most time to unlock two last slots, but I will show you that in the moment. So first way that you can grab these Valentine's presents is through Cupid's pack. You can get them randomly through this pack, and also you can get a love pack and get hundreds of those guaranteed with this one pack. So that is a pay to win way to get them, but if you are on free to play account like I am, you need some free to play way, and there is actually free to play way to get it. So the way to get them by playing only is by unlocking all of these board game slots. Here is the first one, which is called Valentine's Present. And you can see if you step on this one, you will get one present as a reward. There is another one over here, and those are the only two spots that you can grab them. Maybe if you use these boosts, like golden dice and rainbow dice, when you step on those slots, you will maybe get more of the presents at once, but I'm not sure. I think you will get some other stuff as a reward. But you can see I already got 5 presents just by playing AFK, which is very good. You can play this event AFK and get a lot of presents like that. So that's the best option you have. Use a lot of these golden dices and rainbow dices also when you are on that side of the board. Always grab one just in case if you step on those, maybe you double the amount of presents you get. So that's all the ways that you can grab those, and you can also buy them from the market. They are going for around 1 million each. They're pretty much expensive, so maybe it's best to wait a little bit and grab them when all the hype is down from the update. So I wish you all the luck in stepping on those slots and grabbing a lot of these presents, because you can get some Titanic pet out of them and they're very valuable. Very good stuff inside. As you can see, everything is good, so I wish you all the luck to get a lot of them. And that's all that I prepared for this video, guys. Let me know down in the comments if you had any luck stepping on this huge unicorn. Did anybody get that? I will continue grinding because this event is actually very good for us free-to-play players. We can grind for a lot of diamonds like this and maybe get more huge pets in the future until the next update. So that's all from me for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one.